is the garlic honey. It's very simple preparation. You grind the garlic and spread it in the cotton cloth and just heat it in the flame, and you can get a very good garlic juice. So that garlic juice mixed with the honey, equal quantity. This is simple preparation of garlic honey. You can use it as a drops for the children's also. For 5-year-old children, you can give 5 drops is enough for prevention of the respiratory, upper respiratory, nose cold, and wheezing also. 5 drops twice a day with the lukewarm water is effectively prevent that winter-related disorders and other related conditions